Hello and welcome to part 5 of our Proxmox series. In this episode, we are going to look at getting our templates for containers onto our system and ready for part 6, which will be actually installing a container on our Proxmox server. So, from our PVE demo, we go to local PVE demo, which is our local storage. Under the content tab, we will click on templates, and it will bring up a good size list here. So we've got system, mail, which has the Proxmox mail gateway. We'll collapse that. System has different Linux distributions. We're going to collapse that as well. And we are actually going to grab something from the Turnkey Linux listing. All right, and we want to find one that is one of the newer releases for Turnkey Linux, which the newest releases are going to be the 16 version. So let's go down our list a little bit and see what we've got here. Let's do something different. Let's come up here. Why don't we grab the PHP bulletin board just for something different to do. You click download and it goes through the download process, which should only take a couple of moments to grab the file or files needed, and then we can pick up with this in part 6. All right, we are making progress on this. We're at 99%. Oh, we did finish our download. Status, stopped OK. And so that's ready for use. All right, we will pick up in part 6 talking about our first container on Proxmox VE. But for this video, that's going to be a wrap. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave comments down below and click that bell icon for notifications. Thank you once again for watching and for your support of our channel. Stay safe, happy computing, and I'll see you in the next video.